Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to be making mango sour. This is fast and simple. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. So here I have my green mangoes. Any green mangoes will do. Just want to go ahead and peel the skin off. Go ahead and remove the flesh from the seed. Chop your mangoes really small. This will help it to cook really fast. Mango sour is basically a sauce. It's paired with savory snacks such as puree, plantain chips. It is slightly sour with some heat. I'm going to add some water to a pot. My green mangoes. I'm going to go in next with some garlic, some salt. I added my pepper, guy. Lots of fidgets. I'm sorry about that. Added my sugar and my vinegar. And I'm going to let this go ahead and boil. The mangoes already started to change color. They're almost cooked. You want to cook this on medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once everything gets all mushy, then you know you're nearing to the end. I'm going to go in with my potato masher and I'm just going to get that nice and smooth. Just kind of push it around. You know you want to be careful now because the water is hot and you can get burned. Go ahead and turn off the heat. And you just want to go on until you get this into a nice smooth paste. And you're all done. Now you decide if you want yours to be a little bit on the chunky side or you want it to be a fine paste. Now, I like a little bit of chunk in mine. This is delicious, guys. I love me some mango sour. See you in the next video. Bye.